On Friday morning.
Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to edit a YouTube intro, but I'm going to be using my friend's intro. I'm going to be doing it for my friend. The first app I'm going to use is Picsart, and for Picsart I want to cut out a picture to use for the intro. So you can see, you just click on the plus sign and you pick the picture you want. See, there's a lot of ads because I didn't use the pro. I'm not paying for this because cheapskate. So you pick on this icon, cut out. So when you click on the icon, you can easily start shading yourself if you want, but to make this easy, because a figure is there, you can just click on person. It's quite easy. See, it already brings that out. So this is quite nice and properly done, but I'm a bit of a perfectionist, which means we tend to overdo sometimes. So I use this icon called preview so I can see exactly what I'm working with, and I still have a few reservations about the whitish places and all of that. So I'm going to click on erase, and then I'm going to zoom in. Whenever you're doing anything like this, you have to zoom in. So you see all of this yellow light has to go, baby. So from here onward, I'm just going to show you what to do. So anytime you overdo or you click on something you shouldn't click on, you just use the restore, and then there's a size. If you click on the restore twice, there's a size of the brush. And then I just click on next, and then I save it. It saves as a sticker, you see, as a PNG file. So I just click on save. So we go back to the apps. So I pick Vllo, which is where I create my video. So I just click on create video, and then I click on insert blank space. So then I click on go, and so I just click on go, and so it brings it in that YouTube format. So first I click on the video, and then I click on duration, right? So I click on 10 seconds, I click on done, and then I click on background. So for background, let's use white. So that's done. So I want to bring in Grace's picture that I just turned into a sticker. So I click on PIP, so then I click on image. So then I click on the picture. I click on animation. This is the cool part. And then for animation, you can either let your picture fade in, zoom out, and then it has other bunch of stuff that I do not pay for. So then I click on text, so text here, and then I double tap on that, and then I write the name. This is a bit too bland, so I click on font. Then you click on done. Then I go to style. From style I can pick my picture. That's text color. So let me use blue for Grace because I think she likes blue. Then there's shadow. I want to remove the shadow as well. Yes, I think I prefer it this way. Then I can still use outline. So for this I use the darker blue, just so it looks a bit more defined. So I think I like this. Animation again. So you can let it fade into your video, you let it zoom in. So that's that about the name. Now I want to do a tagline. There's lifestyle. I want them to come in at different times, so I do them separately. So, and then I want them a bit smaller. Font. So let's go to the style then, and we can still do our blue, remove the shadow. So animation, I go to text again, I do the same thing here. So, and I want it to come in just immediately after lifestyle. So you can just go right to where you want your video to start. So this is lifestyle, just a few seconds after lifestyle, I want fashion to come in. So I just put it there and I click from now. Then I can click on the font, and we just used little days. Then we go to the style, I remove the shadow like I just did, I change the text color to blue. So then I can make it small so that it can fit the video I'm trying to make. So Then don't forget your animation. We did fade for lifestyle, so we might as well do fade for this as well, so it just fades into the video. So there we go. So let's go to the next one. Okay, so to the next. Oh yeah, they have to all fade out at the same time, or if you want, you can make them fade out at separate times as well. That's not a bad idea. So let's click on the photo. So the photo slides out at 0.03. The names should slide out right about here, so you can click on the name there. You already know you want it to slide out here, so you can okay, yeah, it slides out just there, so that's fine. So the lifestyle, I want it to slide out a bit, so you click until now, so that's why you want it to slide out. The fashion, if you want it to slide out a bit after that, you click until now. The chit chat, a bit after that until now. So let's see that. Grace Gigi, lifestyle, fashion, chit chat. All of these things you can do on your own. I'm just showing you how the app works. So where this chit chat ends, you can now start with your icon. You just press on motion sticker, the icon motion sticker, then you press sticker. Here we have loads of stickers, but I'm just going to use my recent because I have them there, but you have to search for the stickers in your new. So this is the IG sticker, so I just place that right here and I click on done. So I place that right here. So if I don't want it to go all the way to the end, so you see where it stops is perfect. Remember the animation. Let's do zoom in, and for the out, let's do zoom in as well. Just after the IG, I want the Twitter icon to come in. So this is the sticker, this is the Twitter. Even has some sparkles. Ooh. So you just place this right as well, and then don't forget your animation as well. I'm putting our name after the Twitter text, and then our handle is, if I'm correct, I have it stored, but let me just take a wild guess. I think it's with 3 E's. Beautiful. Please make sure to check her out. She has great content. Let's just check if I'm correct. Ooh, yes, I am correct. So now we go to font. Then that's it. Okay, so just to add a bit of oomph to this part, just so I know that my work is properly done here, let's click on motion sticker and click on template. So you click on template again, and it gives you a whole lot of oomph, a lot of different things. Okay, so I think this fits a bit more because it's let me see. Yeah, that fits a bit more, but at the same time I don't want it too loud. Yeah, I think this is nice. So I go to opacity and then I reduce it. I reduce it so much you barely see it, but it's there. So when I play the video, see, it's right there, but it's not too loud. So for the last part of the video, let's just add the subscribe button. So we go to motion sticker again, we go to sticker, and then I go to recent, then there's this subscribe button. Now we just bring this a bit lower, and then another sticker, recent, yeah, then the bell. I simply just put the bell right beside it. Yes, and that's it. That is it. So let's watch what we've done so far. Yeah, I love it. Okay, so that's it. and then I want to add sounds. And then the thing about this particular app is that the sounds are all mostly kind of for payment. You have to pay. We're just going to export this video. Yes, exported, and now we are going to go into the last app, which is InShot. InShot is free. InShot is my best video making app. So once you enter InShot, you just pick on the, you can pick new, but I already imported the video, so I just click on the video. So you can see Grace's video right here. Just 10 seconds. So I want to put music, but before I put music, I want to put some sounds. Like when a picture comes in, I want it to swoosh in just right here. So I click on music. Actually, import music. I'm going to teach you how to do this on another video because this video is already so long. So here I just want to use the swoosh sound which I've imported before. So let's just use this. I can't really hear it, but we're going to manage it. So yeah, you hear that sound when she comes in. And then I also want the subscribe button, the notification bell, to have that bell sound. So just before the notification bell comes in, I go again to imported music, and then this is the notification bell. So I just use this right here. So there, yes. So that's it. And then now I want to just put an overall music. I don't know, I'm just going to put any music for her, and she can, you know, change it. Let's just look for a nice song. I have some songs that I like here that she might like as well. Yes, I like this one. So I just click on volume. I want it to fade in and fade out. It has this tempo it gives to it. I know you like it. Hey. And that's it, guys. That's how I edit my YouTube intro. There's still so much you can do, but let's just do this one right here. And then we're going to be learning. I'm going to be teaching what I know mostly. So subscribe to this channel, and let's just get it on. Bye, guys.
Greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.